So I have a hole, this kind of hole, which fits this pipe. And the pipe is so that it fits the bar. So you put the pipe here, right? So then as you can see, this bar goes inside the pipe. And now that end of the bar cannot move. Now if you just mount this end of the bar, you have a totally stable system. So I use these stretcher wraps to hook this thing so that it doesn't move. You need 2 anchor points here somewhere in your room where you can attach these. Now this side is hooked up. And there is another attachment point there in my room. And I'll put there. There. Now we have a bar which does not move. And what you do next, I will show you. Right next, you put a plate here so that the rim barely fits it. I have these 15 kilogram plates. I forget to put the lock on. You need to put the locks like so. And then you put this, and then you put your rim. Like so. And then you take a small, very small plate. Alright, the lighting is now a little bit better. So, what you do, you take a little plate, put it here, and put it so that it straightens up this wheel. And then you take another lock and you attach it like so. So what you have now going on is a wheel which spins. And this, since it is the bar that is spinning, this wheel system doesn't need any bearings. Since it's the bearings of the bar that allows this system to spin. Alright? And now you just find a stick or anything. I can give you some examples. Alright, here are a couple of examples what you can use. Just some old ass stick. And what you do? If you wanna train your side pressure this direction with your right arm, you put this stick inside of this wheel so that this stick, you obviously put it here, but inside you want this stick to go like this. So it is hinging against this section and this section inside of the wheel. So it's like this. Now it stays there because it's attached to this and inside here push against the bar. And obviously you might want to have something stronger than this one. For example, you might want to do some kind of bar, some full metal bar. You can get this pretty cheap from some metal shop. And you do the same with the bar as you did with the wooden stick. And then you can just do it with the metal bar. Or if you just go to a shop, this is like a broom, you can just pry a broomstick and make a stick out of the broomstick and stick it in here. Obviously you can cut it wherever you want so that it's good for you. Yes, and then with the weights, this is what I like to use. I have a big washer like this. Then I have this like bolt which is rounded at the end. And then I have this, I think these are called eye nuts. Like an eye nut. And this is my pin. You can put weights here and then you just screw this pin on. You can buy these are pretty common thing. Common thing to, you can find this almost everywhere. All of these parts. And then you just, I might just do a little demonstration. Since the weight on this exercise is usually not very much, you don't need a cable. You can just use any type of rope, in my opinion. Alright, this is your hookup. Let's put some weights. Okay, there we have 10 kilos. Then you just have two carabiners. One goes here, and this one goes to the weights, and this goes here. Alright, and another thing. there is this knot here. I do not remember exactly what's the name of this knot. When editing this video, I will add the name of this knot here. But this is pretty good knot to be using, so I might just show you how it's done. Alright, you do take the rope like this, basic rope. You put it twofold, like so. And then you just, oh now I remember, it's the 8 knot. Number 8 knot is the name of this knot, alright? What you do, you take like this, and then you go around so that you have it like this. Then you go around here and you go through from behind like this. Alright, one more time. Take this, go here, behind, go around, and come through from behind. Alright? And this is the 8 knot. Super strong knot. Like so. And if you don't know how to do the 8 knot, or you find it hard, the 8 knot can be maybe an overkill. So you can do just this knot, which is easier. You put it twofold, and then you just do the basic knot. Basic knot on these 2 ropes. Like so. Alright. And now you have a very secure knot. It's not coming undone. Alright? Then you put it this, and if you want to do this way, you put it here. And then you attach this wherever you want on these holes. Like so. Let's see, can this stick handle this weight? And then you can just do this. Okay, it couldn't handle it. Let's try the iron bar. And remember, you are doing this. Don't put it on this side. If you want to do this side. This way. If you want to do this way, you put it like this inside of the wheel. If you want to put that way, you put it on this side. This, like this, inside of the wheel. Like so. Obviously this is a little bit awkward since this rod is so long. But in all simplicity, this is what you are doing then. You want to turn it around. This. You turn it like this. And now, instead of putting it this way, you put it that way. Inside of the wheel. This goes this way. And now, it's like this. Alright. I try to illustrate even better what I mean by sticking the rod different way inside of this wheel. Obviously, you when you normally use this, you do what we just did. But just to show you what I mean, let's put the wheel like this. Now you can see what happens inside. Now when I put this rod inside, it goes like this inside of the wheel. And now I can do the movement. And if I want to do it this way, I put the rod this way inside of the wheel. And now I can do this way. This way, and the other way like this. Alright, I hope it explains this setup a little bit better. And this is just a regular car rim, nothing special about it. Alright, and these are all the parts you need. And I might show you the attachment too. So what I have used for the attachment is this kind of a thing. It is a very long screws which go all the way through the wall. Obviously I don't rent this place, so I am free to destroy it as I please. And the thing I used is this kind of thing. These are super inexpensive. And that's how you can attach it to the wall. I hope this explains something. Thanks, bye.